Nigeria was Kapa me boy.
Yeah.
They have so much money. But Chronolite in Yinaso. I live in Nigeria for many years, so I know this very well.
Wow.
Chronolite, Nigeria light, on that cambo on that shame back into Mincho.
Was it Nigeria light? What did they
say? Ghana has a beer, what to Bob a free more. Not board hold and that shame. Into Mincho.
Nigeria, dear.
Nigeria light into Min so TV gets a woo you stabilizer.
I didn't try.
Meaning power and someone didn't say 5 for say I don't know.
Let's see.
Probably I make an answer, but I'm telling you.
No, but it's so serious.
Me say, Nigeria tape. Enti me more nyom. Just say who you stabilizer and you step down with stabilizer. O TV and say about that time TV about them na who use stabilizer undi mean so. Light in about them I say dey what drum no aye fo share no.
Aye.
Sa na kuro ni nyina tie.
Hey.
Na they have money, they can build dams. Betimi a nuclear reactor, betimi am more energy. But politicians, no, they are the owners of the oil. Omo the owners of the filling stations. And a generator, our Nigeria, no politicians no import tobacco no. Nigeria then bia. And then bia wo generator. Prof, the Okofabron saying bia 20 apartment, 30 apartment, 50 apartment. Ewa bro saying more. Obia kwaya no generator omo blue ones bi obia kwaya no bakuti ho enti no anapomu doom light na dan na bia be 30 bedroom apartment obia so the generator. You can just imagine say when I'm corridor mu ha what is happening there. Ndi okokuro no mu a the generators are being imported by the politicians, the filling stations are owned by the politicians, and it's a light gina so a generator business na begu omo filling stations can so better, so they make sure say your light no entimi nyina so da.
Nana, I didn't know nipa Kobe.
Did I say the elite will never do anything that will benefit the ordinary person?
Nana, I say yani Kobe nipa Kobe.
I been here to say anybody to na. Oh Nigeria. Now who the way on lighting system sit here? Now who more yes mo to pet ya. Mu spray sika go from. Now we krono who lighter. You ask yourself say what is happening? Ghana for your gas in Nigeria.
Yes.
This what is your power plant here is in Suez use gas. Is this American is incredible? Is this Nigeria for intimate to Tobiana? They can buy, they have the oil, but they will not do it because the politicians are benefiting from Omudun Sane Okromono. Because Nigeria for info in an Omonko parliament, no Monko review beer, a babu crona, office on bay anything about crona. No. At the end of the day, they would end up losing, so they will not do anything. A betting, a betting, I say, or muye di or munya free. Till me mention say, yes, the Ghana constitution, he has a bay mepi di afahon. Until abano a committee almost munya review, I think say it's in right direction. But committee na jumano, they should understand say, omonko di ideas only the elite ho. They must go down to the grassroots, find out amount for thinking, amount for feeling. No one try, no one filter all those information in, and no one condense and whatever review or more, you know. And yes, at the end of the day, you know, a very cost-nented job, so that it is going to benefit. The Article 71 for only the elite and Kwana. Yet your man who has said, young position be not. We will keep on suffering all the time. I've been saying this all the time. Say the way you wrote is bad. Now politicians now so come back every day.
Nana say na wa kan cars na
e crowd now team no
because want
what na V8 mu da
Nana
share almost suspension system bi wa say shocks no nko abaako animu nko 24,000 Ghana cedis only the shock
V8 no
share fedi agro. You see all those nice cars as SUVs and them krom no shocks na wedi mu nko an o turn brand new better 24,000 Ghana cedis
24,000
shocks no nko an
shocks no nko
e ba minimum wonti o
240 million
me say e ba minimum kum wonte and into kwan ya nansi an your company pokwa sit nsa om kwan na ya no om nam so kukukuku na okọ anu bibi say all these cars no your baby o ha say wodu ba bi akwan na nya na wa mia 4x4 your back friend say off road mode the off road is a kwan na nye to the two off road mode you ha wonte utim say say dey wonam kwan baba so nti ono what is aka anim no na wo na akoto Uber na wo de call nsa wo ma da bia wo bre na wo su a onim hwade constitution ade ba ko a review for no fanhiem so mo ye serious say constitution no in favor Ghana for number 1 all the government appointee for nyina say ministers the MPs CEOs no omo make sure say SOMPA obi bia ba ebe ko school Ghana ha prof me church do mo pay yi omo make sure say we minister wo be MP wo be any CEO of any company bia e Ghana there as I say so wo yere nyamo a as wo Ghana ha number 1 o Michael school say be as a do university maybe omo koyo mo PhD be a omo ntimi na fine but from basic primary school all the way to by the end of SS no they should all go to school in Ghana and to so me ensa car say ya ban de mom de omo adwuma no ye ma obi V8 biu ye ma omo saloon car na kwa nya de say Benz no odi no ma ase dendende no ye ma omo Sonata no ne Camry nimbi so if I bind this amra me ensa we beto the politician will begin to think because okwa adwuma bibia o no use Sonata na de ko o use Camry na o de ko a na akwan na nya obefile hu se kwan na nya nti omukota parliament no mo hye mra na yese bi ye nye bibia e bebo ama ya Ghana kwan they will understand how the ordinary person is feeling and yes now you are still giving them all na say me call Canada me ko na me ne minister bi na take plane no otimachi say business class and me as a vegetarian you know you can't eat anything maybe you better fruit juice bi na abeje na me hwe duane akwa we do machi ho a
Nana
aduane a minister no di o machi ho se no nya hu me aduane a papa we di na ye serve no na ye serve na me ka say me di misika atwa me take it no ono obi na adwama no plane na waje jedam and say business class no betimi dey aye dem pa na wadam yes serve come and not machi no odi no as a vegetarian I mean you can't just eat any juice be any fruit be na be take. What I'm saying is say wow bottom sika na oyi na ode ye bibi ete saa you know how it feels by buy na atua ma no ntino because making show the plane ticket say we trying to be a man to come
yeah
bo no from kakra
okay
but say be o chana we to kan na trying na price is very high.
Okay.
And many a times no omo trips nyina no nya de a omo planning ahead e be 3-4 days to the time no and no be chatting because I bet me could be at $10,000 for the seat
SOMPA
omo first class and they been quite to $16,000 a trip.
Wow.
Yes, first class oko plane no mu a your first class wo your business class and say about economy require your economy flex wo your economy your economy premium ntin nchichemu wom ntin no say obi a ono betu kan o chena no akoko first class obi betu be say $16,000 to $20,000
really
ntin no ne etu na buy na etu ya na etu ya dia man ntin constitution nyina review no mfa nka ho some of these things at the end of the day no ombe free aban mu obebu akonta no untim nchi obi antum because can you spend na mpa
na say nana yi Rollins ya ka assembly between NDC and NPP sa assembly de bia me see me rain feeder you scratch my back
I scratch your back and exactly what is not happening I'm telling you she o de opa sa S gracia yemfa nko parliament na yenko kan say ye S gracia free ho na here say MPs ahen and e beto amasa ade nobody will even initiate that kind of a obi anka na ya ka ye de hu nkomo see ye kuro no ho to be honest with you democracy ankasa so we are third world country now present democracy e be dey so betime developing that's one thing abrochire omu kuro ni nyina na omu develop ni nyina tama na omu develop no omu nye democrats na a monarchy system and say no no dey ya no omu develop
no look at Dubai
yes and say no akwa no say a monarchy system nti no nipa ba akofo no sika no wadi asen wadi dia no say bibi opebia won sa kan wi so they want to make sure say megidin by year so the maximum ye 8 years nti obi anya wura mu asa opening channel 8 years and make sure say o chira mini wa enu ka say me na bio and truly look at all our politicians omu wura parliament ho omunya wura aban mu a within that 8 years no everything about them changes because sika no e adufo de o on say prof ade ba ko aye nim ni say enye se bia omko wiye sika no say da ya adwen ye no onim so wiye sika no say de ka say o sika bi da ha odin say akobom akofa o kire obenya asem de on be so mo ye ne say yekoto ambulance ye say yekoto ambulance e bia 500 ambulance ambulance na ye to no ne bu anka say $80,000 okay bibia o furnish $80,000 but nipa na ode ba no say obi na e ma ne contract say wey ye ne times 3 profit ye ni ye de
me tie o pa nana
ntenu ka ambulance bia nka ko Germany say bia me pe Benz ye ti say ambulance e bia akosoro ye bia $80,000 na bia everything complete but mpayinfo no mu di ani mu e de akoma obi say wo na kofa no ma ne bra no ye no waka say wey ye pe sa type we spec we ni pe fully served my price no nti akọ manufacturers no almost you where they $80,000 na baako bia be ye also bia ye baako 500 also okay but maybe you should make it times 3 so 80 no e baako ye saying e baako ye $240,000 ade na e 80,000 nti nkrata mu bibia no sa na e wo so o benz na e ba beta ade say we ye to ade na baako 500 o price be na ade man you say 80,000 yes ya say by receipt no obey no baako bia $240,000 obeka say ompere there are so many competitors as well one penny they will go to different manufacturing company nti nkrata aso no e was say $240,000 na ye to e ambulance no nanso na times 2 akwache omobotom nti so obeche na akwache na wefa okokota evidence say no ya to baako bia $240,000 enini receipt ni company enini the politicians no nyaze enyi ze obeche no is say bi omo nye smart wokro no bomu no e na ebeche omo the other day no obi kwaye kwan problem minim say what trust obenya contract bi da
there me na me
contract omo de aban the contract ba
yeah
they say ya NDC na was say ya na bi make e say ye kwaye akwan e was say Bono region contract and you be shocked to know say as I say NDC chairman or no Bono region no contract ko sin nsem na ko sin nsem awie no no apen krofo a ono de mo be ba obuya be like maybe 5 of you will come igne pe contract no the contract be aban ne ba ne be $100 million a wa kiro say ne be 10% na 10% yese bi kura say 10% no sika no watu ama na wie na wo ma 10% no wo na wo ye contract no wo de 10% be ma chairman no
hey
che tieni nti contract no you say $100 million one hour abaje contract no already you get 10% of their money panel da
that's it's kind of what
this kind of ba abay 90 million so you know kura no before say obey no crofo mbedi di bia nti woni be ba so sika is $100 million no e be 60 million na de koy contract no
so how do you expect say kwa na abay
unye ni ye nti o china ba na say o person kokko verify sika wa abay mu na $100 million yetu ama ni ba no the person cannot come and tell you say obi baji sika ni bi free me no o meka because you know say unya contract bia biem nti obeki pukwa nti make can say the constitution review committee no say ombetimi aye bibi amana timi benefit the ordinary person they should go down there get among for ideas among for suggestions
town hall meetings no
na among kikamum na among making sure say all these ideas and goes into the review
no
and yes sir at the end of the day it is still going to benefit only the elite